Yeah.
One more underneath the tree. And you got 4 inches of putty this time.
Yeah, this one's a little bit like upstairs. You got to go back to North Caulfield or?
No, we're doing another job at the moment. We're going to go back later.
I'd say.
Yeah. Pretty solid putty, isn't it?
You have to be very careful with this one because there's not much of a timber here. You don't want to break that one.
No, you're right, it's pretty.
You have to be. Again, it is a feel. It is a feel. Very hard, this one. Not happy with it at all. Not happy with it at all. You have to be extremely careful not to.
Break the woodwork, eh?
Well, that's priority, as well as you don't want to break the other glass too.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm working for nothing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I got it.
So the gentlemen, they're asleep all day, do they?
Some of them do.
Sometimes I wonder what they're doing. So they might have other students or
Asylum.
they what?
Asylum.
Yeah, I know some of them are in there. What have you got here?
How do you mean?
Hard ass.
Huh?
This is hard ass.
Hard ass, is it? Yeah. That's a bit better.
Friendly spider. That's what I don't know.
Ipsy whoopsie. That's a bee.
Yeah, well. When you have empty rooms, how do they find you?
Through charities.
Oh, gee. What are you average charging here per room?
For a person or room?
Oh, person.
Well, if there's 2 people in there, it can be 170 to 240, big room.
And one person?
For one person, yeah, about up to about 170, 180 for one person. Depending on the size of a room, yeah. The small ones are much cheaper. We have some small ones, not all are big.
What's so hard? Am I still on the movie camera, am I?
Sorry?
Am I still on the movie camera?
You're still a movie star, yeah.
They get paid about $20 million, I told you, a movie.
You get extra.
Yeah, Brett Pitt, you know.
No, you come famous.
When you become famous with just that, I don't know you're famous. The community hall in there, right?
In the kitchen. You hit a bit harder on that outside edge. You hit a bit harder on that edge.
See, what happens is that sometimes with putty, it holds like cement because of the type of timber.
Ah, yeah.
This timber is a very cheap timber.
Is it?
And it holds or grips it like cement.
Yeah.
And what happens is that when you try to separate it, sometimes it just runs with the timber on the grain.
I see.
And it's very difficult to,
Split
you don't want it to go out here, so you've got to be very careful to make it reasonable and not make it.
Yeah. That's only 3mm glass, that one, is it?
I would have think so. Extremely hard. Extremely hard. Too hard.
Well, you better work getting that out. The old one out.
Yeah, well. Whereabouts do you live?
Hawthorne. Oh,
You're in Hawthorne.
well, I stayed there. That's my parents' house there.
Oh, you got your parents' house, have you?
Oh, I have no, just look after him.
Oh, you look after them as well, I see.
No, look after my parents' house.
Oh.
Yeah.
your plastic as a present.
Thanks, mate.
I'm sorry I don't give you plastic back.
Yeah.
That's how the grain grips into this tape.
It's a bit thin, that frame, you reckon?
Bit thin?
Yeah.
I don't think it's thin. It could even be the best timber. It could even be cedar, this, but
It is cedar.
Yeah, it's really holding the frames really, really well.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks good, the thin bars.
The what?
The thin bars on the window.
The colonial?
Yeah. The thin style. But you can't get them that easy anymore, the thin ones.
Oh, I think you can put anything you think. You just go to the joiner and he'll build it for you.
No, but I don't have those bars that much anymore. It's hard to get them. Pay your money to get anything you want, I guess. Just a second. I suppose that in the end, if a house like this, it's worth having thick glass from the beginning, isn't it? So they don't get broken so easy.
Well, look, my home, because I'm a glazier,
yeah,
everything's laminated.
Oh.
In my opinion, the laminate is the best glass you can put on it for many reasons.
Yeah, yeah.
One, it's burglar proof, safety, it's soundproof, it keeps a reasonable amount of the heat inside the house. Has a because of the construction of it, it has a reasonable amount of insulation.
They cost
much more? Very dear.
Is it dear?
Oh yeah, it's about $260 a metre. 260, 240. It retails at 260, then from there it's whatever discount.
Better glass, though, isn't it?
From there it's whatever discount they give you.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't put in the other glass. Please can get into that 2 seconds. She's in a house. I won't get into the laminate so easy.
No.
Alright.
Okay. What happened?
Guess what? It's clean. I was going to say.
Good.
Clean it properly. So we need to put a bit of formula there. And then we get to go and see what other work there is. $387. 14 there. 387, 14. 387, 14.
What?
Put that one on.
Holding up in place to mark it. Yeah. Cutting freehand?
Freehand is good sometimes.
It is. We do plaster.
Good for you.
Thanks a lot.
Because you're such a handsome fella.
You're on the home run now, aren't you?
Well, I'm fine.
Yeah, doing well.
I'm trying to be on the home run.
Yeah, a bit of silicone. Set the glass in. Yeah. Oh, excuse me.
That's all right. I thought you sure you're right. I can get the ambulance. Yeah. It looked normal, that scream, you know? Or that sneeze. It just wasn't quite a sneeze. It was more like a scream. You know what I mean?
Soprano, was it?
Is that what it was? A soprano, you reckon?
Soprano sneeze. Smoother than that silicone.
I seem to have all this talent that no one's aware. Yes, well.
There you go. And a bit of glass goes.
And a bit of glass goes. The silicone inside will be great.
Very nice. Silicone on the outside.
Silicone on the outside and silicone on the inside.
And with the putty. Nice linseed smell, isn't it?
Sorry?
Got a nice linseed smell, that putty. Work it up.
Dogs like to eat it.
Eh?
Dogs like to eat it.
Did it really?
Mm.
What is it? Just clay and oil or something away?
I don't really know what it is.
Interesting, isn't it?
Soft plaster, I reckon. There we go.
Plaster.
Soft plaster, there you go.
I think
That's
so.
good. Yeah. Soft plaster, as they say.
Right.
See?
But that thumb's strong from pushing that in.
Oh, actually it's not.
Isn't it?
No. Because of work on my hands all my life. I got arthritis, starting to develop arthritis here.
Yeah, that's no good.
So I have strong muscles here from lifting up the car.
Yeah.
But the joints
Right.
are starting to
Complain.
yeah, maybe you might be older than me. Look at I mean, I might be older than you. Yeah. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh. Yeah, but you're 3 months older about.
I am older than you, right?
3 months.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Am I also better looking or just older?
Both good looking.
I'm better look at me or anything. I'm going to pay you before I do the final.
Hey.
Well. Yeah, well. Are you a bit into sport? Or are you just a movie director?
Who?
I said, are you into sport or are you just a movie director?
No, just trades, am I?
That's it. That's what you do for entertainment. You just a little bit of the plastering, nothing to do.
For interest?
No interest.
For interest.
And what do you have for interest? In other words, yeah.
Lots of things. Dancing. Music.
Dancing.
Yeah,
are you a little bit of this people that go down the halls and do a little bit of...
A little used to, not anymore, but done a lot of sports. Tennis, squash over the years, motorbike riding. Yeah, tennis.
Good tennis and sport.
What about you?
I'm into golf.
Golf, alright.
Yeah, I play a lot of golf.
Good. Yeah,
not anymore.
Haven't got into that.
The prices of golf put me out of business.
Oh, sorry?
I said I used to play a lot of golf.
Right.
I'm a reasonable, very good golfer, but the price of golf put me out of business.
I see the price. I'm with you.
I used to play once upon a time $4 a round. Now it's just wife plays golf. Between the two of us, it's just become too expensive there now.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I had a boarding home or rooming like you have, then I could play every day.
Tongue in cheek, I think.
We all like to be as fortunate as you, that you've done well in your life, and good on you.
But you don't know how much I owe.
Well, that's one thing. I don't know anything, but I haven't got anything either. So you got a lot.
We come with nothing, we go with nothing, John.
Oh, well, that's the thing.
That's about it.
Yeah, that's about right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Have a bit of fun in between.
Have a bit of fun in between.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. It's a nice big strong bit of putty here because it's frame here. So now I'm weak. Give it a bit of strength.
Good.
I keep doing such a great job and keep working on this putty, you'll call me again.
That's right. Exactly. Well, that's about it, isn't it?
That's about it.
Well done. Thank you. Enjoyed watching the movie.
Clean up a little bit of mess there.
Beautiful reflection in that glass, isn't it?
Yeah, well.
Laminated glass, much stronger. Can you just see it there again, maybe? Will that break completely or not really?
Oh yeah, look, it's just this one here, it's smashed.
But it doesn't break completely.
Nah. See all that? It's smashed.
So
look,
just
smashed.
crack like that.
I can't do it anymore.
That's it. Gee, it's amazing how strong the laminated is.
See that?
Just 2 minutes.
That's what went in your door.
Oh, that's great. That's good sound deadening too.
Yeah. That's what went in your door. That's the Oscar piece I
Yeah,
had.
very good.
You can get it. You can get it
more
obscure.
and more secure house.
You can get a lemonade obscure.
Oh, you can you? Okay.
There it is. There. There's a bit of cathedral
Yeah,
there.
very good.
And that's a door
Yeah.
that I fixed the other day.
Yeah.
She wanted a doggy door. Had to take the door, and see how it's all like that. I had to get the putty knife, and I had to release the putty because it doesn't cut like that one in pieces. I can't. I have to keep putting the knife in there and keep separate, and that's why you get all this like this, because I'm forcing with a chisel knife to slowly break the seal from that. So this you can't cut it, so it's a long time to fix it up.
Yeah. Very interesting. The laminated.
You see this other stuff here, this other rubbish stuff. Put a bit of glue behind it. That's
tempered, is it?
Yeah. See that just.
It breaks in all small little pieces. That bit.
The only reason it's holding because I put glue behind it. See that just.
It's for a safety aspect.
That one breaks. And it's thinner. And when it breaks, it blows up and it behaves like that.
Yeah, interesting. Been very interesting.
Rubbish stuff. Half the thickness of that, and nowhere near as superior as that stuff.
No, I got it.
I mean, by law you
like
can.
it. Good.
Good stuff.
Good stuff. Very good.
Right,
well, thanks a lot. Demonstrate the sound qualities of a laminated glass. It's better for sound. Just stop the sound coming in. There's non-laminated. There's laminated. Cuts a significant amount of noise back. Hope you've enjoyed that video. Thank you.